Hello, Meadowlark Bobcats. So, what Mayday is it's the first day of May, and it's like kind of a tradition where you can make like a nice little basket, fill it with goodies, and give it to your neighbor. And since it is almost Mayday, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Mayday basket, alright? So, you can use really any container in your house, but I'm going to use a piece of paper, alright? So, I have already pre-cut and decorated mine, but if you do not already have a square piece of paper for our cone shape basket, then
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a square out of a regular piece of paper. So here we go. I'm going to get my trusty notebook and I'm going to bring this down so you guys can see. I'm going to tear out a piece, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do with this rectangle in order to make it a square, you can see I have that fold. Go ahead and fold it so that you have like a triangle, okay? And then you're going to have, it's kind of hard to see on the iPad, but you're going to have this leftover flap, and that's what you're going to cut off, okay? So I'm just going to kind of take some cuts and cut right along that edge, and I'm getting rid of that strip that you can't see with that triangle. So that strip is what you don't need, and when you open it up, voila, you have a square out of a rectangle piece of paper. All right, good luck.
All right, so now that you know how to make a square, nice square piece of paper, you're gonna want to decorate it because who wants a plain old basket, am I right? So I made two. On this one, it just says, Happy May Day, I hope you have a fabulous day, enjoy your treats. And then I wrote my name. And then on this one, I just wrote some fun little designs. So it can be anything you want. You can put a picture on it, up to you. So once you have your square, you're going to take it and roll it into a, oh man, this part's a little tricky, so if you need some help, that's okay. Ah. Okay, so then, once you get it in your cone shape, you want to tape it. And so since on this one you obviously can't read it, you know, like all the words are mixed up, whoever you give one with writing to, they're going to have to unroll it. Just like that, and then we're going to trim it up. So then once you've trimmed it, and it's in just a nice little cone shape, you're going to pinch the bottom so that nothing falls out. I see you. We're just going to take the bottom and pinch it flat and fold the sides down a little bit, and then get some tape and tape it shut. Ooh. Just like that, and now you're ready to go. So for mine, I have here just some nice Smarties and Dum Dums, so we're going to fill her up. And there we are, just a nice little Mayday basket. So then the next step will be to put on a handle. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, check that out. We now have 2 completed Mayday baskets. Handles. And they don't all have to have handles, it's totally up to you. You can just set it on the doorstep. But for this one, all I used was just this nice little piece of ribbon I found. I didn't even buy anything, I just found this. And then I cut a hole, 2 holes on the side of our little container and poked the ribbon through and tied a knot. And there you go. Happy Mayday! Alright, now it's time to deliver our Mayday basket. I'll leave it here on the handle. What is this? A Mayday basket for me? What we got in here? Smarties are gonna make me smart. Oh, and a dum-dum. I see what they did. Dum-dum. Smarty. Who was it? Do you know who it was?